today. We do understand that there was a meeting between the education department and the parents of these learners. What was the final decision that the both parties came to?
I think I'll start off by saying that as a Department of Education, we have an interest of all the children in the province that they get space in our schools. It may not necessarily be the space that the parent would have preferred, but we ensure that at least our children have space to learn. With particular reference to Eddington Primary, what happened today is that we had a meeting indeed with the parents of these learners who some of them already had schools within the vicinity of the city of Durban, within a 5 kilometer radius from where they stay. And they then decided to say they want their learners to be transferred from the schools where they are to Eddington Primary School when the school capacity was already full. The argument then of those who were representing them was saying that the school is full, but there are foreigners. There are foreign learners who are there. The majority of learners are foreigners. And in our press briefing, which we've just given now, we have shown without any doubt that, in fact, it is not true that the majority of learners here are foreigners. Out of more than 1,500 schools, only 548 or so are foreign born. And that is a reflection of the settlement dynamics of this area, the Point Road area. There are many, foreign nationals who reside around here and who would have applied with documentation, obviously. And some of these learners that are said to be foreign actually have South African parents with foreign, maybe, fathers, but they have South African parents as mothers in the main, and they actually have documentation. And some, even if their mothers are also foreign, but they've been here for such a long time that the children were actually born here. For example, there are children who are already in grade 7 in this school. And they were born in South Africa, although their parents are foreign. They were born in South Africa. And that is why the majority of these foreign learners actually have documentation, have the necessary documentation. In fact, let me explain that we have 17...
Before you start explaining, Mr. Mapolova, our time is very limited.
Okay.
What is going to happen to those learners, the 26 learners that were brought here yesterday in full school uniform?
The learners that were brought here yesterday, first we took them to a safe place because we couldn't allow a situation where learners are just roaming around, unaccounted for. We took them and we took their names. This morning we called their parents. Their parents were out there by the gate, and we called them to say they must identify their actual children who are here, so that when we assist knowing that these children are brought here by their parents. After we've done that exercise, we indicated to them that one, grade R is full to capacity. There is no space in Eddington Primary for grade R. But we have found an alternative space in another ECD center, which is government funded, that they can go to, which is close by, not far from this school. And the parents seem to be happy with that. Number two, those that are in other grades, from 1 to 7, we are going to be trying, and that's the process that's going on now, trying to find space for them within the grades in which they are. How are we going to find the space? Some parents have taken their children out of the school because of what has been going on. Some parents felt it was too much for their children to be traumatized coming to school, finding that there are police at the gate and so on. The parents on their own decided that they are taking their children out of the school and finding space elsewhere. And that is how some of the spaces have opened up. So what the principal is now doing and district officials is checking where we can fit those other learners in other grades, because grade R, of course, can't be fitted, but the other learners can be distributed in the other classes in terms of this space that has become available because of parents who have not, who have opted to take their children out. South African parents, by the way, who have decided to do that.
Thank you so much.
Yes.